Okay, I'm in my Google Sheets. I'm going to create a sheet so that I can check my answers when I use my touch method of keying from the keypad on the computer. So here I have Google Sheets, and if I look, I have possibly three, or I'm going to put my total on row 6. So I've, I've made row 6 the active cell, and now I'm going to put in a formula. So, okay, so I don't know. So I'm going to do equal, and then it's going to be sum equals sum, and then it'll be from A through 5, enter. And then it'll pop up 0 because I don't have any numbers in yet. And then I'm going to drag my formula across. Let's see, I only need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to E, and then, whoops, it's this one. Okay. All the way to E, and now I have a formula across. And then I'm going to give this a heading. I'm going to say this is lesson 4, 6, 4, 6, chapter 4, page IT 122. Okay, now I can do 4 plus 4, and then I get my answer. And then I know I've typed the right keys. So if I have my fingers on the home row for keying on the 10 keypad, it's 4, 5, and 6, and then I'm going to use my pinky for enter. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to name this keypad practice.